this instrument here, this TE, that's temperature element, it is outside the EE key. So it means that the project, the instrumentation engineer from my project, from my team, are responsible for buying this. If I don't buy this, it will not be delivered to the field, and if it's not delivered to the field, it cannot be installed, it cannot be commissioned, and I will not have reference for the outlet temperature from the heat exchanger. On the other hand, the TE2502 is responsibility of the supplier because it is inside the EU key dashed line, and if it doesn't go to the field, it means that I need to push, or it will have a penalty to the supplier, to the manufacturer, because they must supply this instrument. I will not worry about that because it's not a scope of the design team, it's the scope of the manufacturing team.